Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Husqvarna 580BTS leaf blower. Watch this video until the end to find out whether this leaf blower is worth it and why. Husqvarna 580BTS Overview. If you need a professional leaf blower to help you fulfill heavy-duty jobs, you should not overlook Husqvarna 580BTS. This leaf blower can effortlessly move lots of debris, such as grass, leaves, gravel, or snow within minutes. It has an airspeed of 206.2 miles per hour and a fuel capacity of 87.9 fluid ounces. Though this model is heavyweight, it comes in a backpack design that makes it easy to carry around. This leaf blower is equipped with a 75cc engine that increases torque. It has a maximum power speed of 7,200 RPM and is equipped with 4.3 horsepower. This model also minimizes exhaust emissions by 75% due to an efficient fan system. Therefore, it is environmentally friendly. The leaf blower also contains a 2-stage air filter that enhances operation even when working in a dusty environment. Besides that, this leaf blower includes cruise control that can help you set up the fan speed. It has dampeners located between the chassis and the engine, designed to minimize vibration. The purchase also comes with a 2-year warranty. What we liked: high fuel capacity. It minimizes harmful emissions. The handle is comfortable. It starts easily. Highly efficient fan. What we didn't like: it's heavy. Husqvarna 580BTS leaf blower specifications. From the table, you can tell that this leaf blower comes with a powerful engine and produces high airspeed. It's also a heavy model and can get a bit loud. Features: design. A suitable leaf blower should come with a comfortable design. If you want to clear leaves on a large area, you can choose Husqvarna 580BTS since it's comfortable. It comes with a harness that includes shoulder straps and a hip belt. Though this leaf blower has more weight than most models, the manufacturer ensures that the weight shifts from the shoulders and is evenly distributed across the back and hips. So, you can use this leaf blower for an extended period of time without experiencing excess fatigue. It also features some soft grip handles that enhance comfort during use. Feel free to adjust the handles of this leaf blower. Performance. This leaf blower can fulfill even the most demanding tasks. Its X-Torque engine and fan lead to an excellent performance. Husqvarna 580BTS can take care of large volumes of debris without struggling. Its engine can put out 4.3 HP. The air volume that this leaf blower produces is 908 CFM. It also includes an air filter that leads to an extended operating time. Its engine design not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also minimizes harmful emissions. You can use this leaf blower without causing a lot of environmental pollution. Since this leaf blower also features an air cleaning system, it gets rid of the debris before they get to the air filter. This system enhances the engine's life and can also minimize air filter cleanings. Fuel capacity. You should also be keen on the fuel capacity of a leaf blower before purchasing to avoid inconveniences during use. This model has a fuel capacity of 87.9 fluid ounces. Due to its large capacity, it has a longer runtime than most models. You can rely on this model for more than 1 hour on a full tank. Though you have to spend more cash fueling this leaf blower, you don't have to keep dealing with constant refills. Verdict. So, should you buy the Husqvarna 580BTS leaf blower? Yes, this highly performing leaf blower can help you maintain your lawn effortlessly during different seasons. It is worth buying since it's powerful enough to blow debris and rocks. The outstanding features that make it a valuable leaf blower include a patented X-Torque engine, efficient fan system, comfortable design, and high fuel capacity. Who is Husqvarna 580BTS best suited for? This is best suited for commercial use. If you're a professional looking to clear different areas within a short duration, you should choose this model. You should, however, be ready to pay more for this leaf blower. Are there any alternatives? Yes, some of these include Husqvarna 360BT blower and Echo PB9010T. The Husqvarna 360BT is lighter, while the Echo has more airspeed. Which features of the Husqvarna 580BTS impressed you the most? Let us know by leaving a comment. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this.